Welcome to Wonderkids TV, where we make learning fun and exciting for curious minds. Ever pondered the mystery behind a lava lamp? Today, we unravel that mystery by making our very own lava lamps using simple household materials. First, we fill a plastic bottle about 1/4 full with water. Next, in goes the vegetable oil poured into the bottle until it's almost brimming, but leaving a little space at the top. We then add a few drops of food coloring to the bottle. Keep a keen eye as the colored drops sink through the oil, eventually mixing with the water at the bottom. Now comes the magic. Break an effervescent tablet into smaller pieces and drop them into the bottle, one piece at a time. Watch closely as the tablet reacts with the water, creating bubbles that rise through the oil, mimicking the mesmerizing movement of lava in a lava lamp. But why does this happen? It's all about science. The oil and water create separate layers because they have different densities and polarities, which means they don't mix. The bubbles produced by the effervescent tablet are lighter than the oil, so they rise, carrying some colored water along with them. So what have we learned? We've discovered how differences in density and polarity can create fascinating effects, just like in a real lava lamp. We've also seen a chemical reaction in action, with the effervescent tablet creating bubbles in the water. Here at Wonderkids TV, we believe in making learning an unforgettable adventure. We hope you found this experiment as thrilling as we did. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and we're here to guide you through them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wonderkids TV for more exciting experiments, educational content, and endless fun. Join our community of young explorers as we continue to discover the wonders of science together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun.